Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the cube root of x, that is about x to the power of 1 over 3. The square root, that is about x to the power of 1 over 2. Now, this one multiplied by this one, that is about x to the power of 1 over 3 plus number 2. So this one in here, that is about 7 over 3. Now, we have the formula in here. The integration of x to the power of n dx, we have x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here and here. So we have like this. So this one we have 10 over 3. This one we have 10 over 3. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. That is the end. Thank you for watching.